Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix manual mode on G35. Start by checking the gearbox fluid level and clutch pedal switch before testing drive mode sensors. Gather basic tools, an OBD2 reader, and a multimeter to diagnose electrical faults. I will walk you through safe steps to inspect connectors, test switches, and clear codes. Follow each step patiently and keep notes to avoid repeating work later. Begin diagnosis by testing the clutch pedal switch continuity while moving the pedal through its travel and observing any inconsistencies. Next, inspect wiring and connectors for wear, corrosion, or loose terminals that can cause intermittent manual mode loss. Use an OBD2 reader to capture fault codes and live data while a helper operates the clutch. Compare sensor readings to expected voltages and replace any component that fails basic tests. When a component fails testing, replace it with a compatible part and secure all connectors to prevent future issues. Repair damaged wiring with quality splices and heat shrink, and avoid quick fixes that can corrode. After repairs, clear stored fault codes and perform a controlled test drive while monitoring live data to ensure manual mode engages reliably. If problems persist, consider professional diagnostics for intermittent or complex electrical faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.